Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you the sign-up process on the website buymeacoffee.com. Alright, so we actually want to set up a buymeacoffee.com website for ourselves to put in our YouTube descriptions of our videos. And I've been hearing a lot about it. I've been seeing other creators on YouTube using it, and I want to sign up and go through the process with you guys. So if you don't know what it is, quickly, it's a way for people to donate to you without having to do a membership or purchase a course from you, because we do have a membership and we do have a course. But some people just aren't into that. They do want to support us and everything, but they don't want to have to pay monthly. They don't want to buy any of our courses because maybe they're not interested in it, but they do just want to support us and donate to us. So you can see here that it is made for creators, which if you are a YouTuber, you are a creator. And you can see that there are video creators, and all these people here are YouTubers pretty much. And I've seen a lot of people using it. So first thing we're going to do is go to the website. It's buymeacoffee.com, click sign up. Then you want to enter in your information, email and password. Okay, click I am not a robot. Continue with email. They're going to give you a code, it seems. Okay, punching in the code. Continue with email. All right, so it says here, are you a creator? And I'm going to click yes, I'm a creator, or you can click no, I'm here to support creators. So I'm going to click this one. Next, we need to choose our link. Pick a simple shareable link for your page. You can always change this later. Okay, that's cool to know that we can change it later. So I'm just going to put Esatino, which is the name of our channel. So click continue. Okay, now we need to set up the country. So choose your country and currency. So I am in Canada. And you can choose your currency. I actually like US, so I'm going to click USD. And there's 3 different options so far: PayPal, Stripe, and Razorpay. I've never actually heard of that one. I'm going to click on PayPal. All right, so you need to enter in your information. All right, it's going to get you to log into your PayPal account if you already have one, if you want to connect to it. And you have to allow Buy Me a Coffee to sync up with PayPal. So I'm going to click agree and connect. Okay, so we have successfully integrated with PayPal and Publisher Inc., which is Buy Me a Coffee. Let's see if we can also enable Stripe, because we do have that one as well. All right, so we got a verification code from here as well. All right, so we've enabled both PayPal and Stripe. Now we want to click next. All right, so now we got to fill in this information. All right, I'm going to upload an image. All right, we'll just use this photo for now. This is when we hit 20,000 subscribers. Okay, here is the About Me section. So I'm just going to write a quick line here from our website. We have this here: we are dedicated to helping you do what you love for a living. So that, I feel like, will be a nice line. Okay, so I put in the line here, just a quick sentence. Hey, it's Jewel and Arit here. We are dedicated to helping you do what you love for a living. You can now buy us a coffee as a thank you. So you can also add your website, which I'm going to do right now. Okay, and then it says here that you can actually change the word coffee to anything else. So you can have, buymeacoffee.com, buy me a beer, buy me a pizza, buy me a book. And it says here, replace coffee with anything you like. So if you click this emoji thing, all these emojis will come up. I think I'm going to leave it at the coffee. But it's pretty cool that they allow you to change that. And like I said, you could end up changing this after if you want. If you end up deciding you want a beer instead or a pizza instead. All right, so now we're going to choose a theme. So I'm going to click purple because that is our branding colors. And you can choose to display the supporter count. I think it's cool to have that show. It says that publicizing supporter count shows credibility and inspires more support from the audience, which I agree with. All right, so one last thing before we're done here. We need to add this photo as well. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, great. Now I'm going to click save. So cool. Okay, so this is the page right here. We can add a cover image if we want. And you can see here, Jewel and Arit, Essetino is creating free tutorials on YouTube. We can change all this later. And you can see here as they scroll down, people will see this buy Jewel and Arit a coffee. Maybe I should take this Essetino part out actually. Let me quickly do that. Alright, so I've quickly altered the page here. It says Jewel and Arit is creating free tutorial videos on YouTube for you guys. And it says here buy Jewel and Arit a coffee. And people can choose whether to buy 1, 3, 5. And they have the ability to say a note to us. And then you can click the support button. And that is the whole page there. It's just a simple one-page thing. And this here at the top, buymeacoffee.com/Essetino, that is our personal link that we are going to be putting in our YouTube videos. So if you want to check out what this page looks like, I'll put the link to this page down in the description below. I would highly recommend setting one up. As you can see, it was completely free to do, very easy. And once you set it up, you have your link and you can place it in the description of your videos, put it in your email signature. So if I was able to help you out at all, please let us know by checking out our buymeacoffee.com donation page. We would very much appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.